Last 5 seconds. Ready? Start. This bunch of appeals arising out of judgments by the learned judge, special court, tender the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act 1999, hereinafter referred to as Makoka for the sake of brevity. In special criminal case numbers 1 and 2 of the 2001 are being disposed of by this common judgment since they raise common questions. The accused persons who were tried in special criminal case number 1 of 2001 are allegedly gangsters led by one Shiva, accused number 1 therein, and those in special criminal case number 2 of 2001 allegedly belong to rival gang led by Mahmood Khan Pathan, accused number 1 in special criminal case number 2 of 2001. It is alleged that initially all of them formed one gang which later split into two gangs. They used to clash over right to extort. Both these gangs were allegedly involved in criminal activities like extortion, etc. in industrial town of Khaparkheda on the outskirts of Nagpur city. The gang leaders, that is Shiva alias Shivaji Ramaji Sonwane, accused number 1 in special criminal case number 1 of 2001, hereinafter referred to as accused number 1 to avoid confusion, and Mahmood Khan Pathan, accused number 1 in special criminal case number 2 of 2001, hereinafter referred to as accused number 1, were convicted for the offence punishable under section 311 of the Makoka and sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 12 years and fine of rupees 5 lakhs in default, simple imprisonment for 3 years. They were also convicted for offence punishable under section 3(4) of the Makoka and sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 8 years and fine of rupees 5 lakhs in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 3 years. Both were acquitted for offence under section 4 punishable under section 25 of the Arms Act. Other accused in special crime case number 1 of 2001 belonging to Shiva gang except accused number 6 Nana, who was absconding, were convicted for the offence punishable under section 311 and section 34 of Makoka and sentenced to suffer rigorous imprisonment for 7 years with fine of rupees 5 lakhs in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 3 years each on each of the two counts. Accused number 3 Babu has not filed any appeal. Accused number 6 Nana is reportedly acquitted on 1st August 2007 after he was arrested and put to trial. The other accused persons in special criminal case number 2 of 2001 belonging to Mahmood Khan Pathan's gang except accused number 5 Lakshman, who was absconding, were likewise convicted for the offences punishable under section 311 and 34 of Makoka and sentenced to suffer simple imprisonment for 6 years with fine of rupees 5 lakhs in default to suffer simple imprisonment for 3 years each on with each of the two counts, though offences were separately registered against the members of the two gangs and they were separately charge sheeted and tried. Interestingly, there is a striking similarity in the facts leading to the two prosecutions. It was alleged that the members of the two gangs have been involved in crime which comes within the sweep of continuing unlawful activity as defined in clause D of the section 2 of Makoka, as could be seen from the fact that several, not just more than one, charge sheets had been filed against them in 10 years preceding the present prosecutions, whereof courts had taken cognizance. Activities of members or the gang of Shiva accused in special crime case number 1 of 2001 which were relied on by the prosecution and referred to by the learned judge special court in the charge sheet framed are as under stock.